Welcome viewer, I am Murugan S. This video tutorial describes, fix Windows 11 shutdown but user stays logged in. First method is type netplwiz in Windows search bar, click netplwiz. Uncheck users must enter a username and password to use this computer. Second method is type Control Panel in Windows search bar, click Control Panel. Click Power Options. Change to Shutdown. Third method is click Start, Settings, click Accounts, click Sign in Options. Turn off Use My Sign In info to automatically finish setting up after an update. I hope this video tutorial helps to you. Please like, share and don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thank you very much. See you next video.